Join me to discover what nobody tells you about concrete floor repair in 1 minute. Does your industrial floor have cracks, broken joints, deteriorated patches, old bolts, or remains of epoxy resin? Then the problem is not only aesthetic. A floor in poor condition affects forklift traffic, safety, cleaning, maintenance, and the daily operation of the warehouse. At BECOSAN, we have spent years repairing and refurbishing industrial concrete floors across Europe. We repair expansion and construction joints, cracks and fissures, patches, holes, bolts and anchors, uneven areas, damaged zones and old coatings. Every repair starts with a diagnosis, because not all cracks are the same, not all joints work in the same way, and not all patches withstand the same traffic. Our goal is not to cover the problem, it is to solve it properly so the floor can work again. And when appropriate, we complete the process with the BECOSAN treatment, polishing, densifying, and sealing the concrete. The result? A stronger, dust-free floor, easier to maintain, and ready for real industrial use.